different topic, as you can tell by the title, than my usual videos, although I do specialize in skin and helping people achieve clear, glowing skin. I also like to approach the human body from a holistic perspective. Hair growth is something that is very indicative of one's internal health. A lot of my clients are very interested in achieving very long, healthy hair. So I want to share with you my experience with hair loss, hair extensions, and basically how I've helped my hair grow back naturally. Extensions like tape-ins, eye tips, etc. They really damage my hair quite a lot. So I'll just start basically at the beginning of sort of my hair journey, and this was back in 2018. So I started really wanting longer, thicker hair, but I wanted it now, and so I decided to invest in hair extensions. So versus spending about 6 months to a year of growing my hair on my own, I just went and got extensions. All right, so that was the first mistake, because everything in life, it really is more fulfilling and rewarding when we work for it, and that's certainly my experience. That's definitely what I've learned from this whole journey. Basically, I got the iTip extensions in my hair, and when you look at my older videos, you'll be able to see the difference in hair lengths. Now the thing with the extensions is right away I felt more confident. I felt, I have longer hair. I felt just great. But at the same time, there's this sense of pain and just knowing, oh, am I damaging my natural hair follicle? It really, really hurt at the 6-week mark when I would go for touch-ups. What my stylist would do is she would fix the extension basically. And the type that I got was called iTip extensions. You can look it up online if you're interested. They really were quite painful on my scalp. After about 4 to 6 months, I decided I don't want the extensions anymore. Actually, I think it was as soon as 2020 happened, the COVID thing, and everything was about to shut down, I just, what I did is I bought pliers. I DM'd my stylist on Instagram and I said, hey girl, like, I need these extensions out. How do I do it? So I went and got these pliers on Amazon and I removed the extensions myself. Now what happened when I removed them is I noticed a lot of hair loss, okay? And also my hair was very fine, a lot more fine than when I even started. So that was very concerning for me. And basically ever since then, I've really been on this journey of hair growth, and it hasn't been until about 3 months ago that I feel like I've really got it down, because my hair is finally growing. The ends are not falling off. It's very important with hair growth. Really nurture the ends. A lot of breakage occurs, especially from curling irons, straightening irons, etc. It's very important to always keep the ends hydrated, and that's what I've been doing. It's working, yay! So I'm so excited about that, because this has just been a serious goal. And I noticed that it really affected my self-esteem when I took the extensions out and I saw my real hair. It was just thinning, and there's something so traumatizing. I was showering and then this hair is coming out of my scalp, and I just felt like, oh my gosh, like she told me that if I get the extensions, it'll help my natural growth, but in fact it did the exact opposite. So the iTip hair extensions every 6 weeks are also very expensive. So it's important to do a cost-benefit analysis. For me, it doesn't make me feel good in my body, in my soul. I don't resonate with that any longer. So I'll share with you what I've been doing to really nurture that hair growth, and my plan is to grow my hair to my belly button. So I still have probably maybe a year and a half to go, because I do get trims every couple of months, but just little trims. So let's go. Firstly, what I do is when I get out of the shower, I have extremely curly hair naturally. So I do at-home blowouts, or I'll go get a blowout. But basically, I don't use irons anymore. So my stylist showed me how to curl my hair with using a blowout brush, which I got this one on Amazon, and then the blowout dryer. This was from Amazon too. It does a fantastic job. This does not cause split ends, and that's really the key. And also avoiding irons, because the heat from a blow dryer is hot air. The heat from an iron is, it's much more damaging to the hair. And so that's definitely something I've noticed. And the key with length, maintaining that length for me, is avoiding split ends. So I just don't use irons anymore. And if I want to do like a bohemian beachy wave situation, then I will figure out how to do that with the brush. And it's not always easy, but I'd rather have not the exact style that I want versus split ends, right? Because life is about priorities, so I prioritize my ends right now. Next, I use a lot of oils and leave-in treatments. So this is Moroccan oil, which I love. And then this is a oil treatment at the hair salon that I go to. It's fantastic. It smells coconutty, tropically, Hawaii vibes. I just love it. And so I always moisturize my hair before bed. So that's the big thing, is avoiding irons and doing a blowout instead. Second, hydrating the ends. If you do these two things, your hair will change. It will transform. Give it 1 month and then comment down below and let me know the change, because I promise you, you're gonna be so excited and you're not gonna wanna use irons again. If you do, it'll be very rarely. For me, it's on a special occasion now, or not at all. Basically as little as possible. Now, the next component is our internal health. So for me, I'm focusing on silica. So silica is a very powerful mineral that is in our bodies, and it really helps hair growth. So I'm currently taking a variety of silica supplements. So I'll share with you what they are. A lot of my clients that have hair growth issues, and then they take biotin, and then they share that they break out, they have acne. So this is extremely common. The reason why is because biotin increases the oil production in the sebaceous glands of the skin. So it's very important to consume a small amount of biotin and then see how your body reacts. I've had experience with biotin supplements, and then it does make me break out, but that was a couple of years ago. Recently, I've been taking this particular supplement, and it has biotin, and it does not cause any breakouts. There's just 50 mcgs. So I'll link all of these items down below, and then you can check out the ingredients and everything if you wish. Also, I'm taking this particular hair, skin, and nail supplement called BioSil. And this has a lot of silica. I'm just finding that it's working super well. And I love natural herbal remedies. That's definitely my preference. So this is another supplement called Florasil. And this is silicone from Spring Horsetail. The last most impactful component of this whole picture of growing hair and recovering from the damaging effects of hair extensions or rapid hair loss is hydration. So I consume a lot of coconut water every single day. Well, I have one of these a day. So this happens to be the coconut water I'm consuming a lot lately. And the brand is called King Island. The only ingredient is pure coconut water. It's very important to always read the ingredient list because companies just like to sneak things in. It's not helpful. So I think that's about it. I really enjoyed sharing all of these products here, which have truly transformed my hair and my overall feeling of confidence. Truly hope it helps you as well. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you again soon in the next video. Make sure to give me a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I'm sending so much love your way.